What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So y'all already know we got the stock options trading course. I'm about to take another options trade right now live on the channel. Let's see. We're gonna bet that Tesla's price is going to fall down and see, how much we can make in a few seconds. So let's see, how is it playing out? I want this next candle to close to determine, okay, there we go. Okay, so I just bought a contract. So take a look. I just bought it right now. So far, I'm up $8 on it, just buying it. So you could, if you want to scalp. So it's up $3 so far right now. Just bought it up $1. So we're going to bet that the price is going down. It will fluctuate a little bit. It will go back and forth, but we're betting overall that the prices will continue to drop. So let's just give this a minute to play out while we do this video, and we'll see at the end of the video how much we have made. So right now you can see we are down $7. Now let's see where this ends up at the end of this video. Okay, so let's check out the chart. So right now the price is at 210, 209. We're betting that is going to continue to drop, but we got some Shiba Inu news. But if you're interested in learning how to make money daily in the stock market, you can bet that the market is going up or down. Reach out to me to get my stock options trading course. It also has some day trading principles, so you will also, as kind of a byproduct, learn how to day trade as well. And you can use these strategies for cryptocurrencies and traditional stocks as well. So let's get into this update real quick. Two major whales scooped up 256 billion Shiba Inu as price rebounds sharply. Shiba Inu is without a doubt one of the favorite whale coins. Two biggest Shiba Inu whales accumulated. Let's set that up so I can see it. Accumulated a whopping $2.71 million worth of SHIB in the past 24 hours, as the most popular canine themed cryptocurrency bounces off from a critical support level located at that 9.8 level on the daily chart. On Thursday, Shiba Inu made an attempt to crack the crucial support level of that 9.8 on the daily chart, but thank goodness it failed, as two anonymous, deep-pocketed Shiba Inu investors poured in a staggering $2.7 million to purchase 256 billion SHIB coin in 3 different transactions. So think about this, y'all. They are taking advantage of the dips. They are taking advantage of it right now. So let me just give y'all a quick update where we are on this contract so far, just so you can see how it, how it moves. So now we're up $13. Some people now we're up $23. You see how it's moving live just like that. Some people don't make that an hour. So if you can learn this skill as a just a substitute to add something to what you already make as an additional stream of income, that wouldn't be bad. To add another minimum wage stream income, and that's just starting off. Of course, it can always get a lot bigger, but let's keep going with this. And another thing that I wanted to say was I'm taking note that no matter how bad things look, notice that the SHIB whales do not give up on this project. Every time they get the opportunity to take more and more money by buying the dip, they're gonna do it, y'all. You got to remember, some of these whales may not be long-term investors. They just may be investing to take advantage of the day trading opportunities, or swing trading if you want to push it over a day or two. But it's good to see that when people see Shiba Inu in that red alert level, they're gonna buy it, y'all. Not saying this is all the time accurate. Remember, this is not financial advice, but whales understand. When I'm telling y'all that you want to take advantage of these discounts in the markets, the whales understand this. Remember, I showed y'all just by that little movement that the price pulled back yesterday. If you would have bought that dip into where it went up yesterday, that was a 15% gain right there. So, some people, if they're day trading, scalping, 15% is excellent. They don't mind getting a 5%, especially in a bear market. So keep that in mind also. So 50th top SHEEB whale accumulated 1.3 million worth of Shiba Inu. So according to the data provided by etherscan.io, the 50th biggest Shiba Inu whale added an astounding 125.3 billion SHEEB, worth $1.3 million in 2 separate transactions in the past 24 hours. So they're looking to make some money on this, y'all. This is why you cannot be afraid of the dip, or you don't want to be afraid of the dip, because the people with the largest, deepest pockets, they're not afraid of the dip. Remember, you don't have to buy like a whale, but just, think like a whale by, taking advantage of these discounts in the market. So the 50th biggest Shiba Inu whale became active about 16 hours ago and executed her first significant transaction to accumulate 61 billion SHEEB, worth $653,000. And they gotta know something, y'all. They're not making these purchases worth millions and hundreds of thousands of dollars if they don't know something. So keep that in mind. Shiba Inu Holdings by adding 63 billion worth 673,000 to her wallet in another robust transaction. At press time, key Shiba Inu investors hold a total of 1.25 trillion worth $13.3 million. So the 7th biggest Shiba Inu whale bought 1.3 million worth of Shiba Inu. The 7th, think about that, the 7th largest whale still buying Shiba Inu, y'all. Connect the dots. So let me give y'all an update on this contract so far. We are up $46, you can see so far, which isn't a lot of money to some people, but to some just getting started in the market, learning how to do this every day on the side, can be very helpful. So that's a skill you definitely want to tap into. But seeing the 50th largest Shiba Inu whale and the 7th largest Shiba Inu whale still being active in these bad times is a really, really good sign for me to remain confident in the project. Even though my confidence didn't fade, it's just a good sign to connect the dots that others' confidence aren't fading either. Now take a look at this. I just showed y'all it was up $46. Now it's up $58 right now. This is how fast this can grow. And this is a small contract, by the way. If I was doing this with, my usual few $1,000 contracts, I could be making, this would be around $530. Normally my contracts are around 10 times this size. So if it's at $553, that would be around $530. But I want to show y'all that you can do this with small amounts as well. So let's get back into this. Again, if you're interested in getting a course, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. But to see the 7th and 50th largest whale buying, that is a really, really good sign. So the key Shiba Inu whale now holds a whopping total of 15 trillion SHEEB, worth 163.5 million in her wallet. The massive interest in SHEEB builds after the world's second biggest canine themed cryptocurrency based on market cap dropped below a crucial support level, the 9.8 to the 9.27 level yesterday. However, following the massive accumulation from whales, the price rebounds sharply, and at the time of writing, Shiba Inu is trading at the price of 10.5, up 6.68% over the day, with a 24-hour trading volume of 458 million. So let's take a look at the charts real quick. We already went over the market prices. We got overall market at 925 billion, up 1.5%. It's pulling back a little bit from where we seen earlier. Bitcoin at 19.3, ETH at 1307. We got BNB at 270. Y'all know I love BNB, XRP, Cardano, Doge at 5 cents. It always wants to flip back to that 6 cent. So it's just an opportunity to grab some. Y'all know I like to wait for 10 to 15% discounts in the market before I actually pull the trigger. But these are some good buying prices if you're bullish overall. So that's all we got for this right now. We got SHEEB's volume up 6.9% right now. Not too much happening, but it is moving. So here's the end of this video. We are up $63 on this contract. So it's at $58 right now. But this is how quick you can make money. So let's say you do this a few times throughout the week, that's a decent little extra change that you can use to invest in other assets. So let's see where Tesla's price is on the chart. Let's see how it's looking. Okay, on the 1 minute, we're seeing a little bounce. So we're seeing a little bounce on the 1 minute chart. When you're day trading, you want to, zoom in from different time frames. You want to be looking at the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, also some of the other minute charts, just to determine what's likely to happen. So that's all we got for this video, y'all. The price is pushing up right now, but remember, this is the 1 minute chart, so likely it might see some rejection off of that mid Bollinger Band and then continue to trade down as the volume is tapering off. So let's see how it plays out real quick here. If it moves back down to that $2 or $208 level, or does it continue to push towards the middle Bollinger Band? Either way, we got a rejection, you know, likely off of the mid Bollinger Band. So that's a good sign right there. So we see the price pulling, slightly pulling down. But remember, this is still the 1 minute chart. So this is very immature movements, very quick movements. I'm trying to just let this candle close out before we wrap it up, just to see if the price closed lower or higher from that point. Okay, so we see it dropped back to that $208 level briefly. To me, it looks like it wants to trade back towards the lower Bollinger Band. Now, of course, buyers are going to step in and push things, you know, the opposite way as well. But look at the overall market. It's rare. We got the NASDAQ down 2.3%. We got the S&P 500 down 1.8%. Apple down 2.6%. Google down 2%. Dow Jones down 1%. But we're going to wrap this one up, man. Salute to everybody for rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. And we are... almost forgot to say, we got the crypto one-on-one course for beginner to intermediate level investors as well. If you're serious and ready to take things to the next level, if you're ready to invest in your education, let me know, man. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. And don't forget the technical analysis course, which will teach you how to understand this information that I'm looking at here on the chart, and you'll be able to become a better informed investor once you know how to use this information. So that's all we got for this video. Again, watch out for the scammers. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.